Dear learners, welcome to this third tutorial on the use of Microsoft Teams, which is an online tool for communication. Let us see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to explore the use of different features of Microsoft Teams. Let's see in brief what is Microsoft Teams. It is an online platform for a unified communication and collaboration. It permits the users for persistent workplace creation, chat room, video meetings, file storage, and application integration. So let's go to the live tutorial. So suppose you have already logged in and now you are in your Microsoft Teams. So in this, we will see how to use the different options of Microsoft Teams. For example, you have already created the team. So for example, this is your team of research. So now in this, you can have option. You can manage your team, you can add a channel, you can add a member, you can leave the team, you can edit the team settings, you can get a link to team, and you can manage your tags. When I click on manage the team, it will ask for different options. You can see there are different settings of manage, different channels. For example, you can have settings for location, title, tags. You can also have a option to check the use analytics, like how many people logged in, when did they logged in, what all different features are there. So for example, now suppose I go to my another team, that is academic group 1. Here also, if I click on hide, it will get hidden. When I click on manage, I just showed you now. You can add a channel to your team. If you wish to add a member, when you click on add member, so it will ask you start typing a name, distribution list, or email that person. So in this way, you can add a member to your group. Then if required, if you wish to leave a team, you can leave, you can edit, you can get link to the team. Suppose you are clicking on team. So now see, this is a link to my team. And if I copy this, so now it is copied and now it can be shared with others. You have also one option when you click on this called as invite people. Here also when you click on invite people, it will ask you and it will give you option. It will have the option to copy the link. You can basically invite the people from contacts if it is saved, and you can also invite by email. So these are the different features and use of that. For example, you have option here for team, and when you click on three dots here, you have option to channel the notifications. You can pin, you can manage your channel, and you can get link to channel. So Microsoft Teams also give you an option to have a channel which is linked to your Microsoft team. When you click on files, right now I have not shown, and team seems to be offline because I have not yet invited people, but it is all depending upon how you carry out the settings, and depending on that you can have it. For example, if I click on meet now, when you click on meet now, you have option. So it will ask you select allow to let Microsoft Teams use your mic and camera for calls. So basically it's a very user-friendly approach and a very secure system which permits you to have a live collaboration and uses. So these were the features of different tools which are present in Microsoft Teams. If you wish to explore and check, you can type in the option. So like this, you can explore. So participants, thank you. Keep exploring, sharing, and learning.